How to look at memories on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look at memories on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the Snapchat application, make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your Snapchat application. After that, just click on Snapchat to open it. And for you to access your memories, you just basically have to click this particular button right here beside to the left of the shutter button, or you can also simply swipe up like that. So here is a Snapchat memory. So it is basically a feature that enables users to save photos and videos for later instead of allowing them to disappear when the designated time is up. So these snaps and stories are saved within Snapchat under your Memories tab and can be viewed, edited, sent, saved to your device, or reposted on your Snapchat story. So it has many tabs right here it has stories, camera roll, and you can also set up My Eyes Only, where you can move your snaps that can only be seen after you enter a My Eyes Only passcode. So let's just head on back to the snaps, and this is where you basically can find your Snapchat memories that you have saved before. So it is Snapchat's way of giving users permanent access to the snaps and photos they want to keep. So just scroll through, and you can also find a particular timeline at the right part of the screen that has the month and the year of that particular set of snaps you have saved before. And that is how you can basically look at memories on Snapchat. So just access them through the camera page and click on this button right here. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.